What's up, Geeks 4x4? Today we are going to be changing the 6637 filter in the Excursion. 7.3s put a bigger filter on them. The factory housing actually doesn't seal super well with the K&N. So if you run a factory filter and you're okay with it, then no problem. If you like to hear your turbo a little bit and want to get a little bit more boost, I think I got a pound or two more boost by putting this filter on, just because it can suck more air. Then you can put this filter on. I just wanted to show you what I did. I did it for super cheap. There's a little pipe fitting inside that I used. So I'm going to pull this thing apart and I'll show you guys what I got. We're going to put a new filter on it too, so we'll see. So here is my old 6637 filter. It's been in here for about 50,000 miles, I think, give or take. I'll show you the comparison of the colors. I don't know how dark it is. I can't even remember how white it was, so I don't remember. I also got outerwears for the new one, so just wanted to show you the old one before I take it out. So for me, it was easier. It's easier to change this thing just by taking this whole pipe out. This is the original flex pipe that goes from the oil up down to the original box. So the original box would have mounted right here. So I'm going to pull this filter off. So here you can see the part I got from Ace Hardware. It is I believe it's a 4-inch union for a plastic pipe, and I've got it sitting in this, and then the filter just goes right here, and that's the union I used. It's kept it super clean. As you can tell, that union right there that's just came out for the first time, and it's pretty darn clean. I'm really impressed, actually. My finger's dirty from touching the outside, but it's really clean. Alrighty. So I've got a box from Riff Raff here. Haven't even opened this yet. Got my outerwears, and I've got my new Donaldson Duralite filter. Here's the color comparison. Whoa, it is much dirtier than I thought it was. So there is my used one, obviously, and there's the brand new one. The other thing I had to get is a clamp, and I'm going to go grab a tape measure for you right now, and I'm going to give you all the measurements just in case you're trying to put together parts. Alrighty, tape measure in hand. We're going to measure this outer. So you need a clamp that can go out to 4.5 for the outside of this thing. And then this piece here, I'm going to measure really quick. So this piece here I'm going to measure. Yeah, so it's the outer diameter of this is 4 inches. The inner is 3.5. So that's what you're looking for, an outer diameter of 4 inches dead for this little pipe. So anyway, I'm gonna pop this thing back on there and then put the outerwears on and see what it feels like. Alrighty, there's that. Pull this sticker off. So here is this outer cover from Riff Raff. The deal with this, what this does is it keeps all the water off the filter. These paper filters are not waterproof, and so something I had to worry about a lot was driving in the rain and making sure I didn't get that filter too wet. It didn't get too wet sitting in there. You saw where it was sitting. But I just figured this time, actually it's the same price from Riff Raff as that filter was from Napa to get the filter and the outerwear. So let's see if this guy goes on there pretty easily. the answer to pretty easily is kind of. It's kind of easy, but it's pretty tight. And then when you're over the joint in the filter, it wants to get caught. There it goes. Alrighty, so what you want is a little bit of excess on either side so it goes over the plastic. This, like I said, it's just a water repelling thing. It's nothing that's going to change the filtration in this, but it's just water repeller, so it's not covering the ends or anything like that. So, alrighty, and back in with it. There you have it. I just wanted to give you the part numbers from Riff Raff. I'm going to just hold this up to the phone here. This is what I grabbed right there. And so we've got the cover, 6637 replacement cover, and 6637 filter. So that is what we got. They also sent a sticker. So gotta love stickers. The toolboxes always need stickers. And here is the installed product. So, new filter with the outerwears sitting in the truck. There we go. So that's what we just installed today, and we hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ford Excursion content, and we'll see you next time.